Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. And in this AI/ML tutorial, I'm going to guide you on the steps on how you can change your terminal type in the Deepcode CLI. So if you wish to change your terminal type, let's say to a more better copy friendly or let's say selection friendly terminal, then I'm going to guide you on how to do that. So the first thing that you're going to do is obviously launch your Windows PowerShell as an administrator and type in Deepcode in order to launch the Deepcode CLI. And once your Deepcode successfully launches from a new typing message line, simply type in with a forward slash and then you can type in raw. Either you can select it from this, you can see this raw option which says toggle display saying reasoning content. From here, click the enter button and from here you can select from any three of these modes. The first one is the light mode which collapse chain of thoughts reasoning. The second one is the normal mode which shows full chain of thought reasoning. And the third one is the raw scroll back mode which shows scroll back mode for copy friendly terminal selection. So if you wish to enable this copy-friendly terminal selection, you can simply select the raw scrollback mode. And here you can see that the mode has been successfully been selected. And from here, if there are any messages in this session, you can easily copy paste them. If you wish to exit from the raw mode, simply hit the exit button and you're all set. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.